Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn an old piece like this into something shiny and brand new to put back in your car. So the first thing I like to do is just get all the dirt and debris off of this. So I have a little container here of warm water. So I'm just gonna wipe it off, get all the dirt off. So now that I see what I'm working with here, set the water aside. As you can see, the chrome, it's pitted, it's foggy all around it. So the next thing I want to do is get some steel wool. So this is the finest steel wool you can get. It's 0.000 zeros. And then you're just going to start scraping the chrome. Be careful not to scrape the black pieces or parts, sections, how about that, of your part, because it will take the black off and you obviously don't want that. Just be careful and then just start going away. I'm going to show you a little before here what the chrome looks like, and then do a little time lapse and polishing it up and show you the after. And just like that, it is back shiny. A lot of the pitting here is pretty deep. It won't come out. There might be ways to get that pitting out with some compounds and things like that, but the radio is going to sit in there like that, so you'll almost never see the bottom of this. But I mean, if you're not going for show quality car, this isn't that bad. It brings the shine back, it really pops, and honestly the pitting's not too bad. And then I'm gonna take some more warm water here and clean the front up again, the black pieces. Just like that, it's ready to go back in the car. So a little bonus for you, for those who care and want to know part numbers. Right here is the part number for this C7ZA 18842B, I believe is the part number. But the C right here stands for 60s, 70, or wow, 7 stands for 1967. Z stands for it's made for a Mustang. The A I'm not sure about, and then that's the rest of the part number, I think. And then there's the Ford stamp right there. So this is an original Ford part. So this is now all cleaned up, ready to go back in the Mustang, along with an original radio. Since we never had a radio in this car, we found an original 67 radio, so that's going to go in, which will be the next video. So thanks for watching. Hope this helped in restoring some chrome parts. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys here next time.